I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment.
Good morning. I was supposed to do a cleaning video. Woke up, not feeling the greatest. Not today. I have to order some stuff off of... I'm not so tired. I have to order some stuff off of Amazon. Because I got my refrigerator. Even though there's nothing wrong with the black one. It's just... It doesn't flow with the theme of the house. It just doesn't. So... I had money saved up that I was gonna use to purchase the appliances. So with the little bit of stimulus money that he got, he took half and put in savings and then gave me the rest. And so I was like, okay. So I went ahead, I put a poll on Instagram if I should just scale back on the refrigerator that I wanted and get 2 appliances, which I would get a dishwasher and a refrigerator. That way I would only have 2 things to buy, which is a stove, and the stove costs a little less than the refrigerator that I purchased. And it's expensive. And then I would get a dishwasher. But then I was like, I'm not going to settle on the dishwasher that I want either, because the dishwasher and the stove are pretty pricey. The microwave, whatever. Nobody care about microwaves. So I went ahead and got the refrigerator that I want. And it's supposed to be here next week. So they're going to deliver it next week. And Home Depot was the only place that was still doing in-home delivery. Like, they weren't going to drop it at your door, at your front step and just leave it there, because yeah, ain't nobody got time to be pulling refrigerator in the house. So they're going to come in and install the refrigerator, which I don't mind, because after they leave, I can sanitize whatever they touch, because I have stuff to sanitize. So I can sanitize everything before I have the kids touch it. And when they are in the house, I'll make sure that the kids are at least upstairs and safe and tucked away. So I don't mind that they're gonna install the refrigerator. I don't mind at all. So they're downstairs. They're doing, look at all that shoe that Jaxson brought and threw right there in my room. So I need to organize that. The kids are downstairs. They're doing Zoom schooling. Well, my 2 private school kids are doing Zoom. My public school kids, their teacher could care less. Let's just say that's how bad the school system here sucks. So, I have to come up with their own work and stuff like that. So that's what they're doing. They're working from paper, and that's fine. And plus I have books from, back in the day when I used to go to college. So I have a bunch of math books. And what else I'm supposed to tell you? So I'm going to go get coffee, and then I'm going to take you guys with me. But first, we need pants. I need to fold my clothes because I only have 1 sweatpants. I have a bunch of leggings, but I just don't feel like squeezing into leggings right now. I have lounge shorts I can put on. I need to organize this better. This is where I'm going to put my jeans. So I have to find space for all my shorts. And then I have another drawer down here where I have all my shorts. So I think I'm going to transfer the shorts over here and keep the pants over here. And then my skirts are here. I haven't organized them. So this is all my skirts. And then I have another miscellaneous mismatch. So I have more jeans here, and then I think this is where I'm going to keep my socks, because this drawer right here is for my sports bra, and then this is where I keep all my intimate. So I have period panty, I have bra, period panty, and my other, sexier panties. And then I keep up here, I just keep at hand some pads for easy reach, and then I keep that stuff down here, keep it and nap. So, yeah, of course, my shoe. Okay, so I'm all dressed. Well, pants-wise. Pants-wise. Let me turn off all the lights because I'm getting ready to go all the way downstairs. And I'm going to come back up here. Gotta get my cup. I had some tea last night because my period is in town. And my stomach is like... whenever time I get my period, I'm like bloated to high heavens. I don't know why. I gotta come back and make my bed. And I have to do some laundry. But we gotta go downstairs and take out dinner. And I have to clean today. That's the weird thing. I have to clean. But I'm not gonna do like a deep clean. I'm just, see? This is like 2 days. No, this was from the morning and then last night. So, I have to bring that stuff downstairs. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Gio. Oh, he's so sweet. This is the first time coming down. Destiny usually starts his Zoom. She has a schedule so she knows what to do. Destiny is very responsible. Good morning, Pumpkin. No, you're not allowed to be on your tablet. Where's your mat? Mommy. Good morning, Biggie. Good morning, Stinker. We need to wash your hair today. No. Good morning, Jason. No. So, I gotta wash her hair today. Yes, baby? You want gummy? What did you do to get gummy? So, I gotta wash her hair. Why is there so much stuff going? Turn that down. Turn that down. I feel like every time I come down here in the morning, I'm just thrown into chaos. That's why I take my time coming down in the morning, because it's just like it's on. Once I come down, I'm in full mom mode. So gummy. So the first order of business today is to get dinner out. There's motion at your front door. Is to get dinner out. I think we're gonna have chicken today. I'm not sure. Or probably ground beef. We had chicken yesterday. So, yesterday, when I went to purchase the refrigerator, the card got declined. And then our bank texted me right away and said someone tried to make a purchase for the amount. And they said to reply yes if it was us. And then I responded yes. And then they came back and said, wait 2 minutes before I go ahead and make the purchase again. So I waited a whole 10 minutes and then hit the place order again, and it went right through. So I love that our bank does that in times like these where people are getting desperate. And I like that they stop like huge purchases like that, because that's not us. We don't make purchases like that, especially from our savings account. We don't make huge purchases like that. And for our bank to do that, I was like, I mean, it would have been embarrassing if we were in stores and they did that, but it's a layer of protection that we have, and I'm grateful for. Because, honey child, someone steal that kind of money, because the refrigerator was expensive, that kind of money from us, I probably have to find them myself and kill them. Like, no, you don't do that. But, so yeah, shout out to our bank for doing that for us yesterday, even though it would have been embarrassing in stores. Our card just go, decline. And I'm like, what? I swear we have money. We're not just poor folks out here just balling on a budget. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna go take out dinner and then come back. Alright, so this is my refrigerator. It's a hot mess. I haven't organized it because it's kind of hard to organize such a small fridge. Well, freezer. We have unopened hash brown patties. That's my kids doing. I have chicken thigh that that I could either do some kind of chicken situation, which my husband's doing. Still have a dirty stove, I gotta clean that. I was lazy last night. Shoot. Shout out to the moms that are lazy at night. I have to do that, and then I have ground beef that I could make. I could either do, it's too late to do crock pot meatballs, but the hubby would appreciate that better. Oh, it's 10 o'clock though. I can't defrost. And then what else is in here? So today's Thursday, so today is my last day. This is fish. Today's my last day to cook. That's why the refrigerator looks so bare. And then Rob's chicken is here for his Saturday meal or Sunday. And then he usually uses one of these, whichever I don't use, for Sunday. And then we gotta go grocery shopping. So this is how we plan out our meal. So we never have anything extra. I mean, we do have some peas and mixed vegetable, but I bought a ton the last time. So, and then we have some random miscellaneous stuff in here, but the fridge is practically empty for Thursday. I'll show you the bottom part. So, see? So I have to clean this out too, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. So, chicken or ground beef? Chicken or ground beef? I think I'm gonna do ground beef. I'll put this back. Even though this is easier to cook, but whatever. You go back. Ground beef it is. So I think I'm gonna defrost this. Take it out the bag situation and defrost it. Take that off and defrost it, and then put it in the crock pot. What? You want your gummy? I did open it. No, you're not getting it. No, put that in the trash. It's done. You need to get dressed. So, shh. Are they on Zoom? Is your teacher on? No. This teacher's not on. So this is my classroom now, because I took them out of my kitchen, because, yeah, I need to utilize my kitchen throughout the day. So, Jaxson had music today, and he had to...
The Bible.
Bible? He had Bible? Okay. He had Bible this morning, and he needed something to make noise for music, and he got...
No, Bible.
Bible?
It's making a storm.
Oh, a storm? Okay. So he needed spatula and my pots. Can I take my pots and pans back to the thing? All right. Shh. Let's go. Bye, folks. Put that in the cupboard for me, please. So I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen. My chairs are peeling. So if you know a good paint, because I told Rob, I said, do not get semi-gloss, because if it doesn't cure, because I had to put a coating on these, on the actual wood, so that it would stop bleeding. So I think that's the problem. So I put a lacquer, I put a lacquer on it, and I had to spray the paint over the lacquer to keep it from turning a nasty color, because it was bleeding. And with doing that, it prevented the paint from sticking to the chair. So I have to repaint this guy, but it's not a big deal. So now I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen and then defrost my ground beef.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel like I can't lose.
I set the dishwasher to run because the dish has been sitting in there for a few days, so we forgot about them. Every single dinner time, we're like, where are the dishes? They're in the dishwasher. Luckily, I have a ton of dishes. That's the only excuse I have. And the boys been hand washing the other ones, but the ones in the dishwasher been sitting for a few days. So I think I might have to run it and then take them out and then hand wash them, because the food is like dried on and caked on. Whew, I'm out of breath. So now I'm gonna go clean my stove. I have to go clean my I have to go clean my stove, and then tidy up my table, my living room, and my dining room, and sweep out the stairs, vacuum, and then I'll be done downstairs, Link. And then I have to go put laundry away upstairs, sitting at the top of the stairs, and then make all the beds. Hopefully that's not a lot. It sounds like a lot, but hopefully it's not a lot. But let's go clean the stove. Okay, this is gonna be the fastest stove cleaning ever. Spray, 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 spray. Oh, this is big. Sweep that off. Oh, well, can't use that. I shouldn't be lazy, okay? Kitchen is practically done. I just gotta get the boys to do dishes. I need to make some coffee. So my mug of choice today is Hot Mess. Oh, I need to clean the microwave. So I have a Keurig, but I don't use it anymore. It used to be a thing, but it's not a thing anymore. So Rob picked up this coffee for me. It's the bomb. So if you ever see this coffee, I think we got it in Walmart. So if you see this coffee, this instant coffee anywhere, get it. It's so good. It's strong though. It's really strong. So I'm gonna go sit down, have my coffee, and then I think I'm gonna move on to the toddler because I gotta get her dressed for the day. And it's getting late. It's like 9:27. So after I'm done with my coffee, I'm gonna go get her dressed so that she's dressed for the day and not in PJs all day. So I just reheated my coffee, started dinner, so I've been saying I gotta go dress the toddler and go get started on laundry, so let's go. So I'm scraping off the ground beef once it comes out of the microwave. So I have about this much left in about 11 minutes. Nothing is more disgusting than almost cooked ground beef, so this is the process that I use to get it still, you know, not cooked, because that's gross when it turns brown. Okay, so I got ground beef defrosted and everything going. The toddler is still not dressed, still haven't done, still haven't worked on laundry, still haven't made my bed. It's lunchtime, kids are gonna make that. I'm not gonna pretend like I make my children's lunches because we don't do that over here. They're fully capable of making their own lunches. So far, only thing I've worked on is the ground beef and dinner. So, and that's what's important. Nothing else matters, okay? Laundry can wait another day. Toddler can launder around in whatever she wants. I'm not gonna stress about it. It's almost 12 o'clock. What have I done with my whole life today? Nothing.
You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing.
kids are getting ready to make lunch, and I'm gonna go sit down and chill out and watch some cleaning videos. Hopefully I get motivation to clean my house, but I don't think it's gonna happen today. Go ahead, you can have Sissy make your egg.
Is judging while we're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Okay guys, so dinner's done. Getting ready to clear the table. I think that's it for the day. I don't have anything else going on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go tend to a toddler right now, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.